Emerging technologies, constant innovations, crossing perimeters, breaking barriers, immersive experiences. The immediate future is about leveraging the power of innovation and embracing the revolution. The impact of these technologies are the potential game changers in the manufacturing arena. We make it happen. Today, this 30,000 square feet sprawling state-of-the-art facility engages a 400-strong staff. Our humble beginnings date back to the year 1999 with a mission to re-engineer quality through each tool created and delivered. So, embrace the revolution of being accurately sharp to achieve competitive edge with made-to-order cutting tools that deliver an unmatchable standard. We at Accusharp manufacture special cutting tools in carbide for the automotive, aerospace, precision engineering, textile, energy sector, medical, and other manufacturing industries. Our cohesive coating technology showcases the superior quality of our craftsmanship. Here, at Accusharp, we are constantly revisioning Industry 4.0 with the power to create unmatchable quality that surpasses the set market benchmark. How we do this is by integrating all the multiple processes, tracking our productivity, increasing our efficiency, leading to cost savings with uncompromised quality.
For us, purchase is not only a process but a milestone to achieve in terms of saving cost and achieving company's financial objectives.
The amalgamation of true inspiration and innovation is delivered with our Center of Excellence COE initiative across various functions, majorly driven by our research and development team advancing new product developments.
Hello, I'm Ayaz. As a person, I'm very curious. I tend to say yes before saying no. This has helped us to grow in different dimensions. I have an inner urge for this environment. I love to study about the industries, bottleneck situations, and I am passionate about creating value by delivering customized, sustainable solutions. We are evolving and expanding and hence welcome new business partners to connect with us globally.
We believe in continuous improvement. Thus, our engineering techniques enable us to set our own benchmarks.
We are growing exponentially. Our marketing and sales team is always on toes to address customer requirement. Our marketing philosophy is to focus on customer delight, and we are passionate to go extra miles to deliver this.
At Accusharp, we are always focused on continuous improvement by evolving our processes and adhering to compliances.
Accusharp is a dream coming to reality in today's competitive world. It's the journey that we enjoy and not only the destination. Our brand was envisioned by Mr. Ilyas Sheikh, who is the soul of our company. It all started for him by why not approach. He came, he saw, and he explored the tooling world. Accusharp is a family business, accompanied by his brothers, Mr. Ayaz Sheikh, Mr. Zohib Sheikh, and Mr. Fayaz Sheikh. They have made it a long way. Today, Accusharp's 80% market comes from automotive segment. We are an ISO 9001 company marching towards Industry 4.0 standards with uncompromised quality.
At Accusharp, our production KPI is to achieve on-time customer delivery by meeting production deadlines. Nevertheless, safety first is our commitment towards our employees.
One of our means of customer satisfaction is through on-time delivery, backboned by our strong logistics network. While Accusharp upholds sustainability and puts ethics at the forefront, we are at service to global community. Our clientele testifies that Accusharp resonates with the commitment to excellence as it monitors quality down to the loss detail. Accusharp, where technology creates unmatched accuracy.